News of the current administration's far-reaching IRS layoffs are hitting in the middle of tax season. Now, many people want to know how this might affect their tax filing this year.
KDKA's Pintar has been looking into what the tax experts are saying.
Yeah, when we talk about this whole IRS layoff thing, there's a lot we don't know, but there are some things that we do know. Let's start with what we do know. 6,000 to 7,000 people laid off, not only in Washington, D.C., but all across the country. But the question everyone wants to know is how it will affect your taxes. Flipping through forms in full force this time of year, preparing taxes for the April 15th deadline. Also, right in the thick of this season, thousands of IRS employees laid off. Is it a simple yes or no answer whether or not IRS layoffs will affect people filing taxes this year?
The answer is it probably will, but the answer also is we don't know.
We don't know in the sense that we don't have a crystal ball. This is new territory and it's just happened. But tax experts like Eric Wertzman at North Hills Tax Associates says there have been staffing shortages before. Lessons from those past experiences, it comes down to how your tax return will be processed. The issue comes if a human being has to be part of your process.
That appears to be the issue. Okay. So here's an example. I did a tax return the other day, and it rejected for e-file because the software didn't like something. It had trouble matching up a form. So I had to tell someone who has a $9,000 refund, we're going to have to paper file.
Meaning a person now has to be involved, meaning not as fast as a simple computer outcome. Bottom line, aim for you or your tax professional to file taxes that will not involve an actual person being part of that process. Let's get really specific.
I think at the end of the day is I would not encourage paper filing. There may still be a small community out there that wants to do paper file. Try to e-file everything you can.
Bottom line reality, we can't know the effect of these specific layoffs. This is brand new territory, but we can prepare for the unknown.
The other thing I would just tell people is to pack your patience. If you have an issue, then it may take a while to get resolved.
Pack your patience. Don't you love hearing that? Sounds like we're in line at the airport, but at the end of the day, that's what the tax experts are saying. If you're chomping at the bit for your refund, you may have a lot of chomping to do in 2025. Reporting in Westview, Pintar, KDKA-TV News.